Great morning. Hope so you are fit and fine at your home. Today we going to start our first chapter, communication cycle. Communication cycle is a process by which we can share our information, news, idea, feelings one person to another. This is our communication models. Sender send the message. Feature of effective communication. Communication is the meaningful process that involve sender and receiver. Means communication एक meaningful process है जिसके through sender और जिसमें sender और receiver होते हैं. Means one can send message and one can receive message. Next point is a message should be A message should be clear. Listening to other is a very important aspect to effective communication. Means listening is the main factor to effective communications. Okay, the communication is a process in which there is input or output involved. Communication एक process है जिसमें input और output both are involved. Like sender give the input and receiver give the response, that is the output. Okay, now next is impact of effective communication our lives. There are some impact of our life. It is encourage the active participation in a group discussion. Okay, when we take the participation in a group, then we encourage ourselves. Okay, second point is it help in the building relationship with other. Through the communication we can make the relationship with each other. Okay, it fosters success in professional and personal life. Means communication is a main factor that make the professional or personal life. Ability to communicate effectively word your confidence encourage when you speak effectively. Means you can take the example of PDP. When anyone turn come on a PDP regularly, then they can communicate to each other effectively. Effective communication save our time and clear the communications. Next, the communication cycle. There are the six main element of the communication. First is the sender, message, encoding, communication channel, decoding, and feedback. In this diagram we can see sender send the message in form of encoding and message going through the channel, and decode the message by the receiver. And there are some noise also come. The noise may be on receiver side, maybe in sender sides. So one by one we define. First is sender. Sender is an individual or a group who has idea or information which we want to communicate with other. Means sender have a information he want to give the second is the message. Message is the encoding idea sent by the sender. The message could be verbal or non-verbal as body movement, gesture and posture, gesture and facial expression. Okay, so Message is a encoding form. You see in this picture there are the three dots, and that is the message. This message in a encoded form, and this message meaning is a hello. Okay, so next is encoding translation of an idea into a message by the source is called encoding. मीन्स किसी भी सोर्स के थ्रू हम मैसेज को जब एनकोडिंग फॉर्म में करते हैं, मतलब उसका जो लुक एग्जैक्ट लुक होता है या जो मैसेज होता है उसको हम ट्रांसलेट कर सकते हैं. वो ट्रांसलेट हम किसके थ्रू कर सकते हैं? द मैसेज मे एंड प्रोवाइडेड इन एनी कम्बिनेशन और म्यूचुअली अंडरस्टैंड वर्ड, साइन और सिंबल्स. जो मैसेज होता है वो किसी वर्ड की फॉर्म में भी हो सकता है, साइन की फॉर्म में भी और सिंबल की फॉर्म में भी हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू सी देयर आर द मैसेज एंड दैट मैसेज मूविंग through the symbolic transmission line. Okay, so next is communication channel. This is the means through which the message travel from the source to the receiver. Source means sender to the receiver. Okay, जो जिसके थ्रू मैसेज हमारा नेक्स्ट रिसीवर तक पहुंचता है, दैट इज़ अवर द कम्युनिकेशन चैनल. मीन्स जो मीडियम, जिस मीडियम के थ्रू हम मैसेज भेजते हैं, दैट इज़ द कम्युनिकेशन चैनल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वीडियो चैट, टेलीफोन, टेक्स्ट messages and email, etc. You can see in this picture there are the many source to transmit the message. For mediums, for email you can send message, for speaker you can send message, for entering data you can messages, by speaking you can send messages, by letter you can send messages. Okay, now next is receiver. The person or a group that received the message is known as receiver. The receiver is the one who record the interpret the message. रिसीवर एक पर्सन है या ग्रुप भी हो सकता है जिससे मैसेज जो मैसेज को रिसीव करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन योर क्लास टीचर सेंड द मैसेज एंड यू आर द ग्रुप of receiver, you get the message. Okay, the receiver is one who record or interpret the message. जो रिसीवर है, अब जो भी क्लास में बच्चे बैठे होते हैं सब वो अपने लेवल के अकॉर्डिंग उस मैसेज को, उस इंफॉर्मेशन को ट्रांसलेट करते हैं, दैट इज़ द रिसीवर. ओके, इंटरप्रेट मीन्स चेंज करना. नेक्स्ट इज डिकोडिंग. डिकोडिंग ऑफ अ मैसेज इज how an audience interpret the message. means ऑडियंस जो है वो अपने तरीके से उस मैसेज को डिकोड करती है, मतलब इंटरप्रेट करती है, चेंज करती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी देयर आर द सम सिम्बल्स. There are some symbols. Anyone say that are the symbol, but in a zoomer you can see there is a message English unite. Okay, so that is the message. Message is a English unite, but that is the form of symbol. Okay, you understand what is the decoding? Decoding of the message is how an audience interpret the message. Okay, now next is feedback. The cycle of communication is complete when sender receive the message and sender send the message, receive the message feedback from the receiver. मीन्स जब जो मैसेज सेंडर ने सेंड किया है वही एक्चुअल मैसेज जब रिसीवर से वो फीडबैक की फॉर्म में गेट कर लेता है, दैट इज़ आवर फीडबैक. सेम एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी इन योर क्लास व्हेन टीचर टीच यू एंड व्हेन टीचर आस्क फ्रॉम यू सम क्वेरी एंड यू गिव द रिस्पॉन्स exactly which